Welcome to lick number 6 in my metal series. For this one we're going to utilise some legato technique. Let's have a look. Okay, we're going to start on the 2nd fret, which is an F sharp, and we're going to hammer to 3rd fret and then to 5th fret, pulling back to 3, back to 2, hammer to 3, hammer to 5, all with one pick. We're then going to drop to the A string, similar, but we're going to hammer from 2 to 3 to 5, back to 3, back to 2. We're then going to slide up to 3, again all with one pick. After we've slid to the 3rd fret, we're going to hammer to 5, and then we're going to hammer to 7. So we'll end up with 2 picks there in total. Pick, pick. Okay, it's quite symmetrical this now, because we're going to play it again at an octave higher. So this time we're going to start on the 4th fret on the D, exactly the same. So we're going to go 4 to 5 to 7 to 5 to 4, back to 5, back to 7, again all with one pick. Dropping down to the G, again we're going to go to 4 to 5 to 7, pulling back to 5, back to 4, slide up to 5, hammer to 7, hammer to 9. So as you can see, it's exactly the same shape as our first position. Again, we're going to drop down an octave, this time starting on the B string on the 7th fret. Hammer to 8 to 10, pulling back off to 8, back to 7, 8 and 10. Again, exactly the same as in our previous positions. We're going to drop down to the E string, 7th fret. We're going to go from 7 to 8 to 10, back to 8, back to 7, again sliding up to the 8th fret, hammering to 10 and hammering to 12. Okay, so if I take you through that from the top, in the 3 different positions. It's optional there whether you want to hammer with your 3rd finger and little or your 2nd and your little.